Attorney accused of collecting $1.5 million from thousands of fraud victims continues to practice law in Palm Harbor.
Yeah, I-Team reporter Jackie Calloway found that the Florida bar launched an investigation, but those who lost their money may never see a dime of restitution.
My name is Officer William Johnson. I'm calling you from IC3.
400,000 people complained to the government about fake IRS calls and other imposter scams last year.
You feel stupid that you fell for it. You feel mad.
A similar con tricked Debbie Bishop out of her cash.
You know, we're talking about people who are giving sometimes life savings.
The scammers behind the schemes hide behind a tangled money trail by using runners to pick up wired cash.
Internet Crime Complaint Center.
In this complaint, the Federal Trade Commission accused Palm Harbor attorney Joel Truhaft and his company, PHLG Enterprise, of collecting $1.5 million in wired funds. The money paid by 3,000 victims, all targets of phone scams that originated from India.
We will be behind the bars for 6 months.
The FTC stated Truhaft told the runners to pick up payments as soon as possible so that consumers would not have time to cancel or reverse the money transfer.
So now we're going back to Mr. Truhaft to see if he will comment on the case. We're just trying to get both sides of the story.
Joel Truhaft refused to answer our questions in person or by phone.
So he's not available for you, but he would refer you back to Mr. Foster.
Tampa attorney Todd Foster represented Truhaft in the federal case. He, too, turned down an interview request, sending this statement instead. Mr. Truhaft has consistently denied wrongdoing. Neither he nor his company, which stopped doing business in December 2015, profited from the collection activities.
I think he should make restitution.
This is the federal case which settled in February. Truhaft is banned from working with any telemarketers. In return, the FTC suspended the $1.5 million judgment, citing Truhaft's inability to repay that money. Now, the Florida bar has launched its own investigation. In their response to the federal case, Truhaft's attorney wrote, Truhaft and his company were led to believe they were assisting in the collection of legitimate debt which had previously defaulted.
It's very unusual.
Attorney Dave Ristoff spent years prosecuting lawyers accused of wrongdoing for the Florida bar. He says the investigation will take into consideration a number of factors.
The seriousness of the offense, victim impact, whether the lawyer has a past disciplinary record.
We found no prior disciplinary record for Truhaft. If the bar finds probable cause of wrongdoing, he could face anything from a public reprimand to a license suspension.
What would you like to say to the Florida bar?
I frankly think that somebody that has done that should be disbarred.
Ristoff says the Florida bar could take 6 months or more to complete its investigation. I'm I-Team reporter Jackie Calloway, taking action for you.